Iisa ang pangarap, progresibong kinabukasan. Mahal ka namin, La Union, probinsya ng pag-asa at ngiting. La Union, El United.
La Union! Hanggang sa!
Here in Canton, we do not merely celebrate champions, we celebrate character, courage, and the indomitable spirit of every athlete. Once again, welcome to Canton, your city of love and care.
Ang gintong medalya, uulitin ko, para kay Mama, para kay Papa, para sa eskwelahan nyo, pero higit sa lahat, para sa bayang Pilipinas. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.
To all the athletes, I wish you the best of your games. Just like how we do it in One Ilocosur. Let us compete with discipline, strive for excellence, and play as one Region 1. Diyos unay Diagina, agbyag!